Hey guys, welcome to Drink Coin. It's Tyler again, and with the recent cryptocurrency craze going on and everybody kind of blowing up, filing into Bitcoin and all the other different types of things going on with NFTs, I felt it was important to bring your attention to two stocks that are looking to possibly blow up a little more with the recent moves they've been making in relation to cryptocurrency as a whole. And the first of these is PayPal, which announced earlier today, Tuesday, March 30th, that they are going to be allowing people to use cryptocurrency to be able to buy from different merchants with their platform all around the world globally. And this is going to kind of help bolster some of the movements that Bitcoin's been doing. I could see this helping not only push Bitcoin over 60K again, but also like some of the other altcoins going on through that kind of trend as well. But as for PayPal in general, this is a big move for them, considering a lot of market spaces aren't necessarily allowing for this kind of stuff yet. And with this becoming more openly accepted, this is going to allow for them to keep pushing bigger as a business, especially when all that cryptocurrency will be funneling through them. And that'll kind of help them as a company see what they can do to help push this process along as well. And the second stock and company I wanted to talk about is Visa, and they became the first major payment network to settle transactions in the US dollar coins, specifically through the blockchain Ethereum. And this is going to be huge for a bunch of just different companies in general, because it's going to allow a kind of middle ground for companies to be able to accept cryptos potentially and settle transactions in a different way that allows digital and traditional currencies to connect in a way that hasn't been able to be done before. And Visa is doing this all through a current partnership they have with crypto.com, which is one of the world's largest crypto platforms if you're not aware. And this is going to allow them to set themselves up as a front runner in the payment processing industry alongside PayPal to further these developments as well. And this is only going to make a bigger push for digital currencies in the world as a whole, as well as just for like general day-to-day purposes with just purchasing different things, or more people getting accustomed to digital coins outside of carrying cash and things elsewhere. Now, looking at the 1-year chart for PayPal, it's seen a significant increase, especially with it being a digital platform and COVID hitting and everything along those lines. This has helped them kind of grow as a stock in general, as well as a company, just because of the need for them as a digital payment processor. I think in the short term, considering they're trading around here at this 220 to 240 range, they're going to be a semi-decent buy for if you're trying to swing this short term, even like a couple months. With the recent craze in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and everything, and entities like the Mavericks and everything taking Dogecoin and different assets like that as a whole, I could see this helping PayPal set themselves up as an even bigger online entity and getting themselves over that $300 threshold again going forward. And the same thing with the last year with Visa. They are on some decent highs right now as well, coming off of COVID, especially with stuff starting to open back up too as a card processor. But with the ability for them to do digital coins is going to expand their abilities even more outside of what they've currently been trying to do as a company. And I believe that their recent pushes to process more of these digital coins is going to set themselves up for a nice rise forward for them as well. And so I could see them pushing for new highs relatively soon. I would say maybe by like July, August, we could be seeing them hitting the 240, 250s. And then within the next year, we could be seeing Visa over $300 as well with all of the pushes they've been making. And what I would say would be a good buy range for this would be is anywhere between now and possibly getting in under $200. If you've got a portfolio big enough for you to be able to be making purchases like this, I am sure you've got the ability to also average down pretty decently. I would be looking to get in under 220 while you still have the opportunity, and then try to see what you can do to average down if it goes through there, and just hold for quite a few months, because with these crypto rises and everything, this is going to be a nice price point for them going forward. And that's going to do it for me in this video, guys. I just wanted to bring some quick analysis on PayPal and Visa and where I think they're going to be going, not only as companies, but as stocks going forward, and where I could see these going as longer term plays in your portfolio to kind of set you up as more of an anchor with more of the volatility going on in the market, and these seeming to kind of ride out that volatility a little more as we go into the future with cryptocurrency and everything as a whole. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.